Now we have a series of very simple steps. We're going to move forward and slightly diagonally with each of the steps. The steps are the same for both partners. We're starting with the right leg. And right, left, right, left, right, left. Notice that the leg that is closer to the center of your couple goes in front of the legs of the partner. So man's right leg goes in front of the lady's foot, lady's left leg goes in front of the man's foot, like this. Other than that, it's very straightforward. Just make sure to keep bending your knees slightly to keep the motion smooth. And we can count this part. We're going to dance almost up to 8. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. On the count of 7 to 3, there is a change. Let's move backward to stay in the frame. On the 7 to 3, man takes a step with the right leg. Same as at the beginning of our routine. With this step, raise the left hand. Rotate to face the lady, you're with the left side to the audience. Left hand goes down and between the two partners. Take a side step with the left leg and spread your arms, creating the frame. You should end up with your entire body shifted to the left. Your weight is on the left leg. And the lady's perspective, for you this part is also the same as at the beginning of the routine. Take a step with the right leg, left one, rotate, face the man. Now, as he leads his left hand between the two of you, switch hands by placing your right hand on his left hand, take a side step to the right, end up in the frame position with your body shifted to the right and your weight on the right leg. We want to end this part with the man's left side to the audience, ladies' right side to the audience. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3.